Hello students, welcome to Noble Digital Class. We look forward to your utmost attention and dedication towards your class at your Noble platform. Using of technology in excess may be harmful for your physical and mental health. To reduce its aftermath, yoga and meditation is recommended. Students should practice these regularly. Please watch the video for 30 to 40 minutes only. Then take 5 to 10 minutes break. Close your eyes and recall the content taught by your teacher. This short break will be quite relaxing for your eyes.
Hello children, welcome back to our virtual class. Students, chapter number 5 we started in our previous class, and that chapter adjective and the types of the use of adjective and what is adjective. The definition we discussed in our previous class, that what is adjective, and adjective is a word that describes a noun, and we solved the very first exercise, adjusting those adjectives into the sentences. They were written separately into the brackets, right? If you remember the first exercise. Then some more examples of adjective we had, that how these adjectives are used, and one exercise we had, finding the synonyms of different words. That was also the adjective part. Okay, so today we are starting. Now you can see the types of adjective, right? Here we have a few types of adjectives. So the very first, the type qualitative adjective. Qualitative, simple, it is quality, right? It is quality. The word which shows the quality, the word which shows the quality of a noun, that is qualitative adjective. It is very simple, guys. And the clue word, if you find, in a sentence, you will see that answer of how. The clue word is answer of how. You will see that in the sentence, if you find answer of how, so that answer would be your qualitative adjective, or quality adjective in short we can say, right? See here, example has been given here. So see here the definition. These describes the kind or quality of a person or thing. So the quality is has been given here. And see, Bill Gates is a wealthy person. See here, how is person? I told the clue, that answer of how. So how is Bill Gates? How is person? Wealthy. So answer of how is wealthy. So wealthy is the adjective and quality adjective. Okay. See the another one. He is very generous too. He is very generous too. He is, who is generous? This is he. Okay. So and how is he? Generous. How is he? Answer of how again is coming. Answer of how is he? Generous. Right. So this is qualitative adjective. Clear? Easy. Number 2 is quantitative adjective. The word which shows the quantity, that answer. The clue word is how much. How much? Quantity, right? And here in quality, how. Answer of how. And here answer of how much, right? See, these show the amount or the approximate amount of the noun or pronoun, and these all adjectives do not provide the exact number. See, not exact number is coming, that is important, right? So in further classes you'll see that we will have definite adjective also, right? Number adjective also. So this is the quantity, and quantity is only indefinite. Indefinite, that is not the exact number, right? See, and these adjectives could be all, half, many, few, little, no, enough, are the few adjectives of quantity, right? And no is also adjective, guys. I know no, right? See the examples we have. They have eaten half of the rice, right? They have eaten half of the rice. So how much rice? Half. How much rice? Half. I gave you the clue word, that is how much, right? So how much? Half. So half is an adjective here. Many people came to visit the fair. How many people? Many people. How much people? Quantity it is. So many. Many is the adjective and quantity adjective, right? And these more words can be used in adjectives. So wherever you see these words, those words will be quantitative adjective or quantity adjective. The next is possessive adjective. See, possessive adjective like possessive pronouns. Possessive adjective also specify the ownership of and relationship, but they do not replace the noun as possessive pronouns do. The possessive adjective appears together with the noun standing before it, and there are 7 possessive adjectives: my, our, your, his, her. Guys, the pronoun table, the pronoun content in the chapter has been taught to you, and if you remember and if you have made the personal pronoun table, in short, I let you know that persons are like first I, so its objective is me, possessive adjective is my, and possessive pronoun is mine, and reflexive is myself, right? Then here we, us, and our, and then we have you, and here your. So you can see this row, this column, right? This row here, my, our, your, his, her, their, okay, and its. These all are possessive adjective. So you can see these are possessive adjective, its and theirs, right? So, and the examples, we went to his garden. Whose garden? His garden. Okay, answer will be whose. The clue word will be here whose, right? See here, and take that spoon and put it in your table. Whose table? Your table. Your. So these simple, these words will be possessive adjective. My, our, your, their, its, they, these are the possessive adjectives, right? And one more important clue. After all these adjectives, you will see noun. Just after the adjective, there will be a noun, right? See here, you can his garden. So his is adjective and garden is noun. And again, your is adjective and plate is noun. Okay, so next is interrogative adjective. See, interrogative adjective, very easy. Adjectives like what, which, and whose are used with nouns to ask questions. So whenever you have question and starting with what, which, and whose, right? So that word will be interrogative adjective, and just after this, just after these words, you will see a noun, right? That is the clue. So this is interrogative adjective. See, what information can I find at www.vardhamanbooks.com, right? What information? What? This is interrogative adjective, and just after you can see the noun information. Abstract noun it is. Which? Interrogative adjective, and just after planet, right? Planet is a noun. So which information, which planet, these are interrogative adjectives, right? If you make whose, see here, whose book is it? See again, if I make a sentence, whose book is it, right? So whose, this is the interrogative word, interrogative adjective, and just after book is coming. So whose book is it? This is also interrogative adjective, right? So next is demonstrative adjective. Very easy. Demonstrative adjective, guys, see, adjectives like this and that, we have two words. Point out which person or thing is meant. The plural form of this, that is these and those. Simple. That means in English we have two words demonstrative, this and that, and its plural is these, and its plural is those. So only this and that, but generally we say this, that, these, those, right? Four, but no, mainly they are only two, this and that, and these are the demonstrative words in English. And as per the use basis, we can say right here demonstrative adjective, because the same word can be used demonstrative pronoun also. In pronoun part, if you might have, you know, this concept of demonstrative pronoun. See here how it is demonstrative adjectives. See, this planet has the great red spot, right? These planets are mostly made of gases. See, just after this word, you can see the noun. These, the noun, these planets, right? So this combination, adjective and noun, there must be all the time. That is the clue I told you, right? So demonstrative adjective, this planet. Which planet? This planet. These planets. Which planets? These planets. So this, these are the demonstrative adjective. Okay. So these five types are given here. Just have a recap of all those again. See here. Number one, qualitative adjective, which shows the quality, right? That is how is noun. Answer of how, wealthy and generous. Answer of how it is. Quantitative adjective, that is that shows the quantity, right? That how much. Answer of how much, right? And the next is possessive adjective, possessive, that is answer of whose, right? His, yours, theirs, my, our, these all are the possessive adjective. Okay. And next is interrogative, the WH word, right? And just after the noun will be, that is interrogative adjective. And demonstrative adjective, this and that, just after noun will be there. Simple. So these five types of adjectives are there. I hope you understood them very well. Okay, let us have the exercise. See, write C, B, exercise B. This is you have to do in the homework, guys. Write C if the use of underlined adjective is correct, and write I if it is incorrect. And also write the correct adjective. Guys, what we have to do? The underlined word, that adjective has been used here. Okay, we have to justify that is it correct or wrong, right? If it is correct, okay, if it is correct, we have to write C here. If it is incorrect, we have to write the correct word of this one. Okay, so the first sentence you can see here, that books have to be returned to the library. What do you find? That is correct or incorrect? That books have to be returned to the library. Guys, that is singular, books are plural, so wrong it is. So what we have to write here, instead of that, we have to write those. Okay, so this is the right answer. Okay, let's see the another next one. Every student is expected to be in the laboratory on time. Every student, every is the singular word, and noun student is singular, so this is matched. There is no error, so correct. C. Each shirt has to be washed. Each shirt, again singular, they are matched, so no error. C. What place are you going to during your summer vacation? What place? Guys, what place? Something wrong. Yes, instead of what, there should be which. So what we have to write here? Which. This what is wrong, and the right word will be which. Okay. Next is either Abhi nor Shiva. Got something? Yes. That is what is wrong. Either nor. That pair is wrong. The right pair is neither. So instead of either, there would be neither. Okay. Next is you have polished all the chairs. This chair is yet to be polished. This chair is yet to be polished. Something is wrong? No, nothing. It is correct. So you will write C. Next is this biscuits are stale. This biscuits. Wrong it is. See, this is singular, biscuits is plural. So these. There must be these. Okay. So these biscuits are stale. Which newspaper you want? Correct it is. Which newspaper? It is correct. Each player contributed some money. Is it is clear also? Yes, correct it is. No error. Number 10. These nuts are delicious. And where did you buy them? These nuts are delicious. 10. 10 is also correct. Yes, these nuts, plural, right? 11. That kittens. Wrong it is. That kittens, kittens plural, that. So here we have to write those. Okay. Next is that pair of shoes looks really big. Who do they belong to? So that pair of shoes, it is singular. Okay, that pair of shoes. Only if we use shoes, that is plural, but pair of shoes, that is singular, right? So that is correct, but instead of that, we can also use this here. Okay, so multiple answers there could be. That is also correct, and this is also correct. This pair of shoes, if you write, that is also correct. That pair of shoes, if you write, that is also correct. So both are correct here. Okay, students. So this is the exercise you have to do of today's, 1 to 12 sentences. I hope you understood them all very well, that how to select these adjectives, that whether they are right or wrong. Okay, so that's all for the day. I hope you understood the concept very well of the adjective, the types of adjective we had. Let us have the recap of the of all those adjective. The first was that quantity. Second was first was quality. Second was the quantity. Third was possessive. Right. Four was interrogative, and fifth was demonstrative. So five types of adjective we have completed so far in today's lecture. Right. So the exercise 1 to 12, all those questions, do not forget to solve into your homework 1 to 12. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.